All right, we just finished up our daily buys. We're now into the live trade. We are locked in. We are locked in. Discord people, I turned chat off. I turned chat off for you guys because the reason why you guys join this community is to learn how to trade. And day in and day out, whenever we go live, it seems like we just go farther and farther and farther from that goal, like every day. You know, I'm cool sitting here, and I'm really cool sitting here and chilling, vibing out, like playing music with you guys as long as we're still focused. And something that I had to do with the mastermind yesterday was literally turn chat off because I'm giving just this awesome lesson. I'm literally kind of really actively, passionately trying to teach them. And they're talking about just literally like the most unrelated, arguing about just the most unrelated BS ever in the chat. And I'm just thinking none of these people are ever going to be profitable in their entire lives if this is how they're behaving. And that's for the mastermind, and I care about those people the most because they're my top priority right now. I want every single person in that mastermind to be successful and to become a profitable trader. And I've been ripping them all week and still plan to do so all month to hopefully change their lives and teach them this really awesome and valuable skill that I think I'm a great teacher at. And you guys clearly think the same. But you guys are doing yourselves a disservice. You guys are wasting your own money if you get in here without one common goal. And all of you guys should be striving for the same goal. It's to help each other turn profitable. And it's for yourself to turn profitable. And you guys are just doing the biggest disservice to all of yourselves by going into chat and just typing and arguing about the most random stuff when we really only have to dedicate just 2 hours of focused time throughout every single day to just one thing, just the charts. This is all we got to do. And this is a skill that can change your life, and it only takes a short amount of time during the day, and a lot of you guys can't even do that. If that doesn't show a lot about who you are as a person, I don't know what does. NASDAQ is starting to push down in here, but again, we're trying to see a break of structure to the upside. But anyways, I really don't think I'll open chat for these live trades. And I know there's ways that you guys can get around it by talking in the regular chat. But honestly, I've been thinking about closing that thing down too. Because you guys are literally just being unbeneficial to each other. You guys are literally hurting each other and hurting yourselves by arguing about random stuff that doesn't even matter when we're in here to become profitable traders and you're in here to learn from me, and that's just the complete opposite thing that you guys are doing. Every single day, we get in here and you guys are talking about random stuff every single day. It's far from trading. And hopefully you YouTube people are seeing this and think the same thing about yourself, whether you guys are in a paid Discord or you guys are in a group or group chat with your friends. Get your priorities straight, bro. Do you guys actually want to do this or not? Because right now, if you guys are going into chats and arguing about random stuff when you should be focused on working on a skill, that's like going to basketball practice and just yelling at each other and arguing about the most random stuff ever and not even dribbling or shooting or putting up shots. This is when we're supposed to be putting up shots. This is when we're supposed to be practicing and putting in repetitions. This is the one time during the day that we're able to practice this skill. No wonder you guys are unprofitable. Like, man, do I have to snap on y'all to actually get this through your head? No wonder you guys are unprofitable. No freaking wonder. Get real with yourself, bro. I'm going to be monitoring this low. Get freaking real with yourself. You guys like are it's embarrassing, bro, for you guys to say, I want to be a profitable trader and then literally put zero effort towards it. It's clear you guys don't want to be profitable, if that's the case. It's clear that you're in trading for the wrong thing because you clearly don't want to understand price action. You think this is just fun and games and money's going to be a printer. Guess what? It's not going to happen if that's how you guys are acting. And hopefully both types of people can learn from this, both the YouTube and my Discord. Because, man, get your priorities straight. You literally have like just a set amount of time every single day to be looking at the charts just for you guys to lock in. Like this is the only amount of time that you guys have to lock in to be able to learn a skill that could change your life forever. We literally have limited time within the market every single day to be able to watch price action, see how it develops, and learn from it, because there's only New York session. We can't be dribbling our basketball 24/7, right? We can't trade this during London session, during Asian session. There's literally a tiny window for you guys to do this. And what are you guys doing? Arguing and freaking beefing amongst each other about some random BS garbage? Like, bro, I'm going to get so real with you guys so freaking quick because, like, you guys will see whenever the video comes out, like, I'm so passionate about teaching people and seeing people benefit from what I'm teaching, and it's truly what I love doing. But, man, it's embarrassing for you guys to even say that this is what you guys want to do with your lives, and then for me to see you guys literally put zero and negative effort towards it. Like, how does that look on you? Like, get really real with yourself for a second. And just take a deep breath and think long term, do I really want to do this, or am I just freaking putzing around? Like, you guys will get nowhere in life if you guys keep doing this. With everything, no matter what it is, with job, with work, with everything. Like, if this doesn't go to show that 99% of traders will always fail, and it's not because trading's hard. It's because 99% of people don't want to put in work for shit that's hard. Ever. You guys literally have no effort at all. You guys literally can't even sit down for 2 hours in a day and put strong, actual good effort into something without arguing about BS. About some worldly BS, bro. And it pisses me off because I literally take time out of my day, and I know you guys are going to say, oh, we pay you. You think I need this money, bro? Like, I'm pissing that. Like, it doesn't matter to me. Like, I'm taking time out of my day to teach you guys this awesome skill that changed my life, and like that's how you guys are treating it. Like, I don't have to do this. But I want to do this because I want to change people's lives. And it's just so embarrassing for all of you to see you guys do that day in and day out. It's like, man, have some freaking self-respect. So for the time being, until you guys can get your freaking stuff together, like, the chat's going to be freaking closed, bro. I don't want to see any of that, bro. You guys, like, it's freaking embarrassing, bro. It makes me so upset. Like, I'm like, this has been a long time coming for me to snap on y'all, especially the people, like, everybody, especially even the people on YouTube. All you guys are doing this because if you guys have just listened, like, to the people who are actually successful, telling you guys what to do, you guys would be successful too. But you guys clearly aren't successful. You guys aren't. You're unprofitable because of the things that you're doing. Look at yourself, bro. You're probably thinking, oh no, the reason why I'm not profitable is because trading's hard. No, bro. It's because you're doing the wrong shit day in and day out. Every single day you're doing 99% BS and 1% productive, if that. Probably 100% BS. And then you say you want to do this for real. Get real with yourself, bro, for 2 seconds in your life. Man, I'm like, I don't know what it is, but yesterday something lit a fire underneath me, and you guys will see the video really soon. I don't know when it gets posted, and I don't know, like, I don't know when it's going to be posted, but you guys will see what I'm talking about, and I really do want to change your guys' lives. But it's just impossible for me if you guys can't cooperate. But anyways, market opened. We have around 17 minutes until we can see what this hourly candle wants to do on NASDAQ. So far, we've swept out this hourly high, and we broke 5-minute structure to the downside. Something that I want to keep in mind and seize, like this fair value gap right here. But also, right now, I'm still pretty bullish on NASDAQ because we haven't. Or I would like to see this hourly high broken above. On ES, if we're able to close above here, again, that changes things. Whew. And again, like, I'm sorry for snapping on y'all, but like, man, a lot of you guys needed to hear that stuff, bro. Way too many of you guys needed to hear that. And like, hopefully, like, that's what triggered you guys to actually get real with yourself and be like, man, I'm really not doing anything productive with my life right now. And man, I'm really like just making the wrong choices day in and day out with my life. And that's why I'm not successful. That's why I'm not profitable. A lot of you guys should have been profitable by now. But the reason why you're not is because you guys continuously, day in and day out, make the wrong decisions that you guys know you're not supposed to be making. You're full porting, you're over trading, you're over leveraging, you're not acting on your edge, you're trading based off of emotion, you're trading based off of what your friend sent you who also sucks at trading. What are you guys doing? And then you get into a paid Discord that you paid your hard-earned money and say you want to change your life with this skill, and then go into the freaking trading chat. Don't even talk about trading. Don't talk about anything productive. You're talking about Black History Month, making freaking jokes, talking about BS, and it's like, no freaking wonder. Look yourself in the damn eyes. Like, I'm sick of it, bro. I'm no longer going to be the fun, entertaining mentor. I really want to teach you guys this valuable lesson. And that's what I've been on with the mentorship about for the past week and a half that we've been doing this. And I think they're finally starting to get it because I snapped on them just like I snapped on you guys today. Like, I'm embarrassed to have you guys as my students currently. I want to be proud of the people that I want to be proud of you guys. And right now, it's far from that. It's embarrassing for me, and honestly, way more embarrassing for you. Because I don't need you guys to turn profitable. I really don't. I would love it though, because that's what makes me happy. Is helping other people. And if it means I have to snap on your guys' heads so you guys can finally get like your mind right and like think correctly, or maybe even if it's just like 1% of you guys, because still 99% of people are just so dumb and so clueless and have no freaking clue what they want to do with their life. It's so embarrassing, bro. It's so embarrassing. People always just make up BS excuses for why they're not in the position that they're in. So embarrassing, bro. Like, for all you know, you have one life that you can live, and you just spend it just freaking putzing around, like not doing anything productive with your life, and saying and just throwing excuses out for why your life is so horrible. Look yourself in the eyes. It's nobody else's problem. It's nothing external. Everybody's dealt a freaking hand when they're born. I don't give a crap if you're born into poverty, into a rich household, no matter what. Welcome to the game of life. You're dealt a hand, and no matter how shitty your hand is, no matter how good your hand is, you're playing the game. no matter what. And if you want to fold, end it. But I know a lot of you guys don't want to do that. So stop feeling bad for yourselves and look yourself dead in the eyes and say you're the only person that's going to be able to change your life. Stop trying to put blame and put reason to why you're unsuccessful on external things. Because it wasn't your childhood, the way that you grew up, that makes you who you are today. It's because of every single decision that you've made since you're born. That's why you're the way that you are right now. All of those decisions that you made. Like excuses are probably the most sorry and embarrassing thing that you could pull out of your mouth, bro, and say that's the reason why you're unsuccessful. That's the reason why I can't turn profitable. Oh, I had a hard childhood. That's why I'll never make money. I was born into poverty. That's why I'll never make money. I don't care, bro. You have one life and do something with it. And it makes me so freaking upset that you guys would literally just chop it up to that and say, I'll never be worth ever anything. And then just spend the rest of your entire life, 100% of every single decision that you make, day in and day out, doing stuff that's never beneficial, and then you sit down and feel sorry for yourself. So embarrassing, bro. It really makes me so angry. Like, you guys literally have one life and you guys are just throwing it away. Anyways, ES came through, swept out these highs, swept out these highs, swept out these highs. I'm monitoring these lows because we're still technically bearish on the hourly. We very well could sweep out all of these highs still. We're still maintaining bearish structure. I'm looking for probably like a 5-minute break of structure. NASDAQ, we just pushed down into this fair value gap that I wanted. Okay, but this is looking pretty bearish to me because we swept these hourly highs. I don't necessarily like NASDAQ today because we're in bullish conditions on the 4 hour, technically like consolidation on the 4 hour, but we're bearish on the hourly. But we also just had this sweep and break of structure to the upside, so it's pretty mixed. On ES, I have a little bit stronger of a bias to the downside, especially if we're able to wick out these hourly highs and not break structure to the upside. I really truly want to help you guys. But it's literally impossible for me to help you guys if you guys can't help yourself and sit down and have a conversation with yourself that you guys are doing literally everything incorrect right now. Everything. Like, if you guys continue doing the same thing day in and day out, you're like, your life will not change. Every single day I see the same people talking about the same BS. And you're wondering why you're not profitable because you didn't make any change, like at all. You didn't stop doing anything with your life. You didn't stop doing the bad habits that you've been doing. You didn't start creating good habits. You didn't break down what's actually working and what's not. Right now, you guys have no freaking clue what works because 100% of every single decision that you've been making so far is just literally like useless. Not beneficial whatsoever. And it's freaking hilarious that I had to snap on you guys for this Discord call to have the most amount of people in here for the first time ever. Like, oh wow, TJR is snapping on us. I can't wait to hear. Like, bro, y'all are embarrassing, dude. I'm going to keep it so real with you guys. I'm going to keep it a freaking buck. From here on out. Like, I'm not sugarcoating anything from here on out. You know, call me the worst person ever because I'm real about how horrible your life is right now. And call me horrible for actually wanting to benefit your life or change your life, because this skill helped me make unfathomable amounts of money. And I'm trying to teach you guys it, and you guys just want no freaking part of it, clearly, based on the way that you guys are acting. Let's get your stuff together, bro. NASDAQ came through. We swept out these lows. Oops. I'm going to go ahead and put that on here. We came through, swept out these hourly lows. This very well still could give us a bullish reaction, okay? Because again, the 4 hour, we're still in bullish market conditions, okay? And this could give us a bullish reaction. Right now, ES and NQ are pretty different in terms of bias. If ES is able to close underneath these hourly highs, I'll still maintain my bearish bias, because bearish bias will be maintained on that hourly time frame. We came through, swept out these highs, swept out these highs, and then if we're able to get a break of structure to the downside on the 5 minute, I'm going to be looking for fair value gaps. NASDAQ, it's a bit different. We swept out these highs, instantly broke down, okay, but we have to realize higher time frames hold higher power. On the 4 hour, we're still in bullish market conditions, even though, you know, we're playing within these this consolidation. On the hourly, we just came through and swept out hourly lows. So again, this could cause a bullish reaction. Kind of just watching and waiting right now. You guys are so embarrassing, bro. I literally just clicked into regular chat. I cannot believe it, bro. Cannot believe it. I'm kicking out and refunding a lot of people after this. I'm just being completely honest with you guys. I'm kicking out and removing a lot of people because I do not want you guys in here. If that's how you guys are going to act. I'm literally taking down and screenshotting a lot of people's names. I'm freaking booting you guys, dude. I don't care. I really don't care. This has never been about the money, bro. Ever. And I thought I was pretty clear with that when I closed down this Discord forever, and I said I wanted you guys, and like what happened to me saying that, hey, if you guys are serious about trading, get in the Discord and it's getting closed forever. We want to make a great and awesome community. Guess what? It's clear that this community isn't that great and that awesome right now. We really have to clear this shit out again. Because right now, at this point in time, the only people that I think are taking this serious are the people in the mastermind. All you guys who are paying $100 a month, I could give a rip about you guys right now. I literally could care less because of the way that you guys are acting. And call me a horrible person for saying that. Call me whatever you guys want. I don't care. It's so embarrassing, and I don't want those type of people in my community. I don't even want to see those people talk, because it literally makes you a worse person seeing the way those people talk about life, seeing how disappointing, seeing just how horrible of a life those people are living. It rubs me the wrong way, bro. It rubs me just horribly. You guys are so embarrassing, dude. Get real with yourself. You guys are going to, call me a horrible person for snapping on you guys, bro. It's so sad. It's so freaking sad. You guys say what you want to do shit with your life, and this is how you guys act. Are you kidding me, bro? You guys have no self-respect. It makes me so upset and honestly sad for you guys. Like, come on, man. So freaking ridiculous, dude. So ridiculous. Like, I really can't even put it into words. So crazy, man. Like, I literally at a loss for words for like what I've seen today, and I'm so happy that I snapped, because I've been seeing this for way too long, bro. And I know doing this will give me nothing but positive outcomes. Me eating however much money it's going to be for kicking those people out, it doesn't mean a thing to me. I don't care about that money at all, because removing those people from my community, removing those people from my environment will make me way more money than they can ever provide me. Because those people have no money and will never make any money and will never be successful if that's the way that they're thinking. And that $100 a month, guess what? They'll be churned in a matter of months anyways. And I don't want them here. I don't want you here if that's how you're going to act. Like, something changed, man. And you guys will see when that YouTube video goes live. I literally was up until 3:30 a.m. last night. You guys will see. Oh, man. I'm literally spending my entire day cleaning out the Discord. Like, that is literally step one for me. Watching the S&P, we're 53 seconds away from wicking out both these hourly highs. Could potentially see a break of structure on the 5-minute right here. Looks like we're potentially going to get that. We got around 30 seconds until close. NASDAQ, similar situation. If we end up closing underneath here, then I think I'll end up avoiding NASDAQ for today, just because that 4-hour low is so low and we're within this consolidation. And it does look like we're going to get a closure underneath there. On ES, we are able to close underneath these hourly lows, which was awesome. We got a 15-minute break of structure, which is awesome. I'm going to look for either this order block to get hit and give me a reaction, because I don't see any fair value gaps on the 5-minute. Or waiting for like a 1-minute sweep and one of these imbalances to get hit. Main focus is ES for the day. Just gonna watch and be patient. Okay, so again, I forgot to add this for the YouTube, but we have this 15-minute order block right here, 5-minute order block right here. They're labeled with blue. I don't necessarily need to show that we broke structure to the downside. We have this imbalance on the 5-minute right here. Okay, and I was telling the Discord that this order block right here, I'm going to remove it because I don't want to see it as a confluence, but this order block right here could cause profit taking to push price up into any of these areas. We could also potentially see this 15-minute imbalance get filled. And that's kind of what I want. Right now, price is dumping, but I'm okay waiting and kind of waiting for a higher time frame entry. On NASDAQ, I don't necessarily see anything too enticing, again, because of that 4-hour bullish bias that we talked about on our daily bias call. And again, the reason why I'm not feeling bullish coming into this order block, even though we did sweep on the hourly and whatever, is because on the 4-hour, we're bearish. So we have this 5-minute imbalance. Who knows if we end up creating another imbalance within here. Really just waiting for a leg up, focused on ES for the time being. I don't really think NASDAQ's going to give me what I want today. If we need to seek out these lows in order for us to get back up here, I'm okay with that. I do think that this order block will hopefully give us some relief or some retracement back to the upside, hopefully. If not, I won't take a trade today. NASDAQ is really far gone to the downside. Got around 3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. We already have this 15-minute imbalance marked out. Honestly, I would rather have this one filled than this 5-minute one filled. Matter of fact, I kind of want to just get rid of that 5-minute one. It's not even that. This one is much higher confluence. I think we should be able to get a push up into here or into either of these order blocks. Hopefully. Hopefully we can start to see a push here to start filling in these imbalances that we saw. That would be ideal. That would be ideal. That would be ideal. This 15-minute imbalance is kind of main focus right now. Hope to get in there. Get above these 1-minute highs. The goal would be to break structure on this 1 minute right now. And then get in here and then boom, that's where we can end up looking for shorts. We're coming through here. We just took out these 1 minute highs. I do want to see even more upside. Starting to fill this 5 minute imbalance. This looks really good. Starting to get up in that area that we want. Still watching, still waiting. I'm not gonna lie, this very well could be a very similar day to yesterday, where we hop off in a little bit, and I kind of set my alerts at these main areas to wait and see if we get any confluence. I'm willing to be on here for a little bit longer though. I have a pretty busy day, but I'll see what I can do. So, if we push all the way past here, end up sweeping out these lows, I'm okay with that. And I do think that these are still high confluence areas. But, we just closed underneath that re-broke structure to the downside on the 1 minute. I do think we do have more potential to the upside. But it does seem like it's going to take a bit of time to get up there. Especially if we're coming through and targeting this. But if we're able to, maintain this and, push back up and higher, that would be really, really awesome, because we still have yet to go into this 15-minute fair value gap. Honestly, the way the price is developing right now, it does look like it's going to actually push back up here. So again, that's all that I'm waiting for. Just a push back on up there. And I'm not going to lie, I do think that it's going to take some time for market to do so. So I think with that being said, I am going to get off of here. And again, similar to yesterday, unfortunately for you guys don't get to see the execution on the YouTube video of the live trade, but I didn't get to do a market recap yesterday. We kind of did it during our daily bias today. So if you guys want to know the trade from yesterday that ended up hitting several take profits, if you guys want to figure out what trade that was, go ahead and just re-watch the live stream of today's daily bias. And yeah, who knows? This very well could just be sweeping instantly back up into this area. Well, I'll let the next 10 minutes play out, but if we can't get up into this area within the next couple minutes, I'm going to save all of us some time and really just kind of go hands off and wait for these areas to get hit. And if they don't get hit, cool, no trade today. If they do get hit, cool, potential trade if I'm able to see an entry. All right. Okay, we're starting to push up into that area. Highest confluence would be these order blocks, either the 15-minute order block right here or the 5-minute order block, but I'm satisfied with this fair value gap too. And now it's awesome because we still have this liquidity, which is untouched. We have this liquidity, which is now which is untouched as well, that we just made, and we have all of these other levels down here. Nasdaq looks like it's about to, do something similar. ES is kind of giving us better entries though. So let's watch this, see what it wants to do. All right. All right, so we just got above there. My alert just went off. We're filling in this imbalance. See what price wants to do. For me, I'll either be waiting for a 5-minute rejection candle or just a 1-minute break of structure to the downside. That to me should be enough. I'm going to start monitoring lows on the 1-minute as we filled this imbalance, okay? Again, a higher confluence for me would be one of these two, either that 5-minute or the 15-minute. But again, we have this 15-minute imbalance that could serve as a solid confluence. Okay, let's watch for this. If we do get a break, boom, I can go ahead and get into shorts off the break. Stops will just be right above that, or I'll probably put them above the imbalance a bit. But that's only if we get a break of structure. And then obviously targets will be these areas that we marked out. Let's see if we get a break. If we do, I'll go ahead and enter shorts. If not, I won't. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and enter short here. First take profit is going to be these lows down here. Second is going to be right here. And then third and fourth are going to be these extended higher time frame take profits that we had mentioned before. Let me see if there's any other confluences here. We have the end of this imbalance. Yeah, I'll go ahead and put that on. Okay, boom. And because we ran so late and because I stayed on so late with this, I just wanted to show you guys the trade entry. This is going to take a while to hit either stop or take profit. Okay, so I'll give you guys an update with the market recap. I'll keep you guys updated within the text channels, okay? We're already getting a decent move down right now, so that's really awesome, but we're already really deep into this live trade recording, and I don't really want to hold you guys on for much longer, and I know that I've had you guys on this live stream for a minute now, but hey man, we're already crushing it with this big candle down. I don't want to jinx it or second guess whatever it may be, but yeah, solid trade. We'll see how this goes, and yeah, honestly, price is moving pretty solid in our direction right now, so I'll keep you guys updated within the text channels. Thank you guys for tapping in. I'll catch you guys for the market recap. Mastermind peoples, I'll see you guys later today. That being said, I'll catch you guys. Peace out.